Hey, what's up, deserts? It's me, Savannah, and I'm back with another mini vlog. Come get ready with me while doing my simple makeup. Dahil pupunta tayo sa Seda Hotel. And syempre, tapos na tayo mag-makeup dyan for the doing the hairstyle na lang tayo na which is lugay lang ako. Syempre, ayan, tapos na. Then, this is us on the way. Tapos, ito yung status ng car. Which is siksikan kami. Tatlo kada row. Tatlo kami niyan sa likod. Kasama yung mga bag. Siyempre, magpapakit lang ako kahit tulog na yung ate ko dyan. We arrived after 1.5 hours. This is the lobby. Ang laki niya, guys, actually. Hindi ko nga lang nakita yung breakfast area nila dito that time. Naka-designate kami, sa 6th floor. And then, yung pool area nila is on the 5th floor. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang pangmalakasang room tour. Malaki din yung CR nila, which is okay sa amin. Then, we have 2 bed, 1 king size ata, then 1 queen size. And then, ito yung view, which is the golf area. Nag-decide din kami ni Sadie na mag-swimming sa pool area nila na malaki siya, guys, which is only 4 feet. Tapos may kids area din naman. Gusto niya daw mang-impress. Chares. After swimming, sinundo ko sila tita sa lobby since galing sila ng mall na katabi ng Seda. Syempre, ito ang outfit ko for the dinner. It was around 8 p.m. na. And napag-desisyon na nila na sa Jerry's Grill na lang kumain sa may bandang Ayala Mall. While waiting, kanila mommy na on the way na. And syempre, may naisip na namang kalokohan tong pinsan ko. Ayun, ginaya yung kilos ng tita ko.
Mula.
Walang pake!
Sino may-ari nito?
Was time to go home na, and linakad lang namin siya from Ayala Mall to Seda Hotel since walking distance lang. The next day, we decided na mag-breakfast na, and hindi namin naisip na magkakaroon pala ng dress. Ito lang yung kinain ko, which is egg and ham. And then, nag-bread na lang ako, which is croissant, tas hindi ko alam kung anong tawag din sa isa. Siyempre, swimming uli, ano pa ba? But this time, kasama na yung pinsan kong si Ken Ken. For the blow ng floaty. For the running na ang person kasi, ay nako, no oras na. Kita dito, guys, yung sa kids area, which is sobrang babaw na 2 feet lang. Lunchtime na, hindi nga lang ako nakapag-film nung umalis na kami ng hotel. This is Seaside MOA, guys. We had seafood for lunch like hipon, fish. Syempre, lumamon ako, guys. This is pineapple juice na sobrang sarap, guys. Then, they decided na magsimba since it was first Sunday. Baclaran Church, guys. With the whole fam. After nyan, guys, we decided to go home na. That's it, desert. Bye-bye!